Hola, my senoritas and senors. It is Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. Are you wanting a spicy taco today? Will your flames be coming out of your ears? Smoke out of your face? Oh, yes. If it's too spicy, Mrs. Krabs sweats and has to blow her nose because my nose runs. I'd like just a nice, soft taco with lots of yummies on the inside. What do you like the best? Do you like soft or crunchy? Senor Bob, he likes crunchy. He likes to peck at it with his beak. Oh, look at my hat. It's a wobbly hat. This is kind of funny, isn't it? A wobbly hat. I think we ought to sing our song that goes along with our Taco Tuesday. Yes, take a trip to Mexico. Are you ready? Here we go. I may never take a trip to Mexico, wear a big sombrero, eat a cheesy taco. I may never ride a donkey, oh, so slow, but I'm in the Lord's army, si, senor. I'm in the Lord's army, si, senor. I'm in the Lord's army, si, senor. I may never take a trip to Mexico, wear a big sombrero, eat a cheesy taco. I may never ride a donkey, oh, so slow, but I'm in the Lord's army, si, senor. Good job. Well, take my mustache off, take off my sombrero. We will get all ready to do our work today. I hope, not that you eat chili peppers, but I hope you have the energy that you get from eating those hot chili peppers. Your eyes are sparkly, your ears are listening. I hope you are ready. We have lots of things we want to do together today. And one of those things is I want you to find your dry whiteboard. You know, it's hard to play games when I'm over here and you're over there, but I think together today we can try and see if we can play a couple new things, okay? Up on our board, we have our times tables. Remember, hit the pause button if you're still looking for that dry whiteboard and your marker and a paper towel, okay? Put that over there for the side. Okay, well, maybe we need that. If we get the right answer, maybe we need to do a shake, shake. Okay, so take a deep breath. We are going to do our 5 times family. Okay, are you ready? Remember yesterday we did 0 times 5 equals 0. Okay, snap, snap. 0 times 5 equals 0. Okay, can you snap, snap? If you can't snap, snap, give me thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay, here we go. 0 times 5 equals 0. 1 times 5 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 times 5 equals 15. 4 times 5 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 6 times 5 equals 30. 7 times 5 equals 35. 8 times 5 equals 40. 9 times 5 equals 45. 10 times 5 equals 50. 11 times 5 equals 55. 12 times 5 equals 12 times 5 equals 60. Got my clap, and you know how I am. I can't sing and do something at once. That's like when we do, what's our song? Jesus love is bubbling over, Jesus love. Mrs. Kraft gets our hands all configured. Yep, you remember that? Maybe we'll just have to have a singing video. Maybe that's what we'll do for Bible one day next week. How about that? We'll just sing. I like that. Let's do the divided by. Let's see if I can get my hands clapping and snapping at the right time. Are you ready? Start with 0. See the 0 divided by 5? Okay, you ready? 0 divided by 5. 0 divided by 5. 0. 5 divided by 5. My clap. Here I go. Okay, let's see if I can do it. Yeah, parents, go ahead and laugh at me because Mrs. Kraft is not coordinated. Okay, are you ready? 0 times 5. 0 divided by 5 is 0. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 10 divided by 5 is what? Can we just start this over? Forget the snap clap. If you can do the snap snap, clap clap, snap snap better than me, go for it. I might just ditch it and just say it, okay? 0 divided by 5 is 0. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3. I'm just going to say the words. You keep snapping and clapping. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 50 divided by 5 is 10. 55 divided by 5 is 11. 60 divided by 5 is 12. I don't know what happened to me, but I know you could do it. Good job. Let me give you. You did it. Senors and senoritas, you came through. You had been marvelous. Marvelous. Oh, hats off to you. Okay, let's get past that. Behind me are some stars. Do you see those stars? They're not in any order. They're all rounded to tens numbers. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. I'm going to show you a number. I want you to tell me what number we rounded to. Remember, we're looking for the number that's rounded closest 10. They always end in 0. And you have to think about where it is on that number line. Whew, I think I can do this way better than I can that clap, clap, snap, snap. I got to practice that. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, Calvin, 63. 63. What is 63 closest to? Look at the numbers that are up there. Can you find what 63 is closest to? 63 is closest to 60. That's right, 60. 3 is closer to the 60. Okay, let's go to Kellen. Kellen, 85. What is 85 closer? Is it closer to 80 or is it closer to 90? Closer to 80 or 90? Yep, he said 90 because remember 5 and higher, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all goes to the next number. Good job. So it's over right there to 90. Nice work. Okay, Adeline, here we go. 32. 32 is closest to, which one is it closest to? Is it closer to 30 or 40? 30 or 40? And she said 30. Nice job. That's right, 30. Okay, here we go. Quinn, 48. What is 48 closer to? 40 or to 50? 40 or 50? She said the answer is 50. Do you see it right there? 50. 48, 49, 50. Nice work. Okay, here we go. Caleb, 16. Is 16 closer to 10 or to 20? Is 16 closer to 10 or to 20? And Caleb says 20. Good job. He knows his numbers. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whoops, dropped that one. 57, Hunter. What's 57 closer to? Is it closer to 50 or to 60? 50 or 60? Do you have it? And he said 60. Good job. 60. 57, 58, 59, 60. Good job. And the last one. And this is Benjamin's turn. Benjamin, 16. What is 16 closest to? 10 or 20? 16, 10 or 20? Yeah, he knew that 16 is close to 15, but we're going up the scale. He said 20. Great job. You guys, I can't fool you for anything. You are just awesome. Mrs. Kraft, put those out of the way. Okay, do you have your dry whiteboard? Got your dry whiteboard? I'm going to give you some numbers. Let's see how you can do at writing numbers. Okay, the first one is a fraction. Okay, are you ready? First one's a fraction. Write for me 5 and a half. 5 and 1/2. 5 and 1/2. Got it? Hit the pause button if you need extra time. I'm going to show you mine. Are you ready? Here we go. 5 and 1/2. Did you get that right? Good. Give yourself a big old clap. Okay, good job. Okay, here's the next one. This one's money. So be careful. Remember what money needs? Money needs a $ and a decimal point. Okay? If you don't hear a number in a place value, what are you going to put? That's right, you're going to put a big old 0. Okay? $230.09. $230.09. $230.09. Are you ready? Okay, here it is. Good. Did you remember your $ and your decimal point? $230.09. Do we have any tens? We don't, so we put a 0 there to hold the place. Did you get that right? If you did, jump up and down 2 times. Good job. Jump for joy. Or maybe you're a Mexican jumping bean. Are you? That's what we'll do. We'll be Mexican jumping beans today. I love it. Okay, next one. Be careful. There's zeros in there too. 23,007. 23,007. Can you write that? 23,007. Where's my little board? 23,007. Okay, got it? Okay, here we go. Oh, did you get it right? I hope so. Be a Mexican jumping bean and do 2 jumps for me. 23,007. When we look at our place value house, okay, see our place value house? We heard 20, yeah, it's in the thousands, 23,000. So we knew we had 10,000 and a 1,000, but there was no hundreds. And there were no tens, but there were ones. 23,007. I know it's easier on this, but when we have our test, it's kind of like on this. We don't have these place value houses, do we? Okay, last one. Are you ready? Can you be a Mexican jumping bean again? 7,603. 7,603. 7,603. Got that? Okay, you ready? Is there a 0 in this one? How many numbers did you make? 5? Did somebody say 5? There's not 5 numbers. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. That's right, 7,603. No tens. I hope you put that 0 there. If you got this right, be a Mexican jumping bean 1, 2, 3 times. Good job. Okay, how's your brain today? Is it overworked? Is it ready? Is it ready to go? I hope it is. You got your board with you? Okay, because we're going to do some more things with our board. Okay, I'm just getting this ready because I need this for later. I want you to use your board and I want you to write down for me the temperature that is closest to freezing. Which of these 2 temperatures is closest to freezing? Is it 44 or is it 31? Which temperature is closest to freezing? Closest to freezing. Okay, you have your answer? Are you ready? Okay, Mrs. Kraft's going to cover up the one that's not right. Which one do you think it is? Which one should I cover up? That's right. It's not this one. If you wrote 31, you are correct. What's our freezing point? 32. That's right. Okay, here's another one. Which temperature is closest to freezing on this one? 14 or 37? Which is closest? Closest to freezing. Okay, you got it? Write it on your board. Okay, you got it written down? Okay, I'm going to cover up the one that's not closest. Did you write down 37? I hope you did. 14 is really cold. But 37 is still closer to freezing. Okay, last one. Are you ready? Okay, which one's closer to freezing? Is it 48 or is it 27? 48 or 27? Write down on your board which one it is. Which one's closest to freezing? Are you ready? I hope you wrote down 27. Did you write down 27? Good job. Be a Mexican jumping bean and jump 3 times. Or maybe jump for every time you got right. If you got them right, all of them right, that is 3 times. Good job. Okay, put your, no, do we want to keep this? Do we want to put this away? Let me think a minute. Yeah, let's keep it out, okay? I have back here on my board, I wrote down 3 problems. I want to know what the closest number to the tens, the nearest number to the tens for these problems are. Now, you might want to use your board and do the same thing. So if you do, hit the pause button. We're going to work on the blue circle first, okay? 71 plus 16. I'm going to move it on this side. Can I move it on this side? Because Mrs. Kraft is right-handed. It makes it a little bit easier. Can you see it still? Okay. 71 plus 16. Let's use a blue. If I can get it open with one hand. Remember that blue marker? It goes flying across. Sometimes, oh, ding the bell. Okay, is 71. What's 71 closer to? 70 or 80? Let's go to Lucas. Lucas, what's it closer to? 71, 70 or 80? Yeah, it's closer to 70. And 16, Layla, is it closer to 10 or to 20? That's right, it's closer to 20. So what is 70 plus 20, Ella? 70 plus 20 is 90. Good job. Did you get that along with me? I hope so. Here we go. Let's do the next one. Madison, 17. What's 17 closer to? Is it closer to 10 or to 20? 10 or 20, Madison? It's closer to 20. We're going to put a plus sign. And 18. Brady, is 18 closer to 10 or to 20? He knew it was 20 as well. So now, what is 20 plus 20, Roman? 20 plus 20 is 40. Nice job. One more to go. Can you see that? I think you can. Okay, Kendall, 27. Is it closer to 20 or to 30? 20 or 30? It's closer to 30. Can you see that? Yeah, good. Put a plus sign. And 33, Abel, is it closer to 30 or to 40? 30 or 40? Yeah, 3 is going to be closer to 30. Okay, what is 30 plus 30, Ben? 30 plus 30 is, I'll raise that up a little bit. 30 plus 30 is, yes, it is 60. Look how you just averaged those numbers. Nice job. You are doing a wonderful job with that averaging. I am just super proud of you. One more thing before we get to our paper today. I want to see how good you are at finding and remembering our months of the year. Are you good at memorizing I'm not memorizing. You already have those memorized. Are you good at thinking about where our months of our year are in relationship to what's before and after? Are you? Let's find out. Okay, I'm going to hold up a card, call somebody's name, and you're going to listen to before or after, okay? Let's start with Hunter. Hunter, what comes before March? Before March. That's right, it's February. Good job. Okay, let's do another one. We're going to do like 3 of them, okay? I'm just pulling from my pile. Let's see, and it's going to be Caleb's turn. Caleb, what comes after September? After September. It's pumpkin time. October. Nice. Okay. And one more. Let's go. What comes? This is Gwen. What comes after May? What comes after May? Think about your months. January, February. What comes after May? Yeah, when summertime comes, it is June. That's the month that summer begins. Nice job. Okay, we got our months of the year. How about the days of the week? Some people don't remember how many days of the week there are. Yeah, some people are saying 12. No, we only need 7 days in a week. Okay, let's see what comes before. Are you ready? This is going to be a little tricky. What comes before, Adeline, what comes before Saturday? What comes before Saturday? Yeah, Friday. Good job. Okay, what comes after? Kellen, what comes after Tuesday? What comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. Nice. And the last one, Calvin, is yours. What comes? Yeah. Let's do this one. What comes before Wednesday? What comes before Wednesday? Calvin? Tuesday. Did you do a good job? Did you get those same answers as your friends? I hope so. We'll do more of those, okay? I think Mrs. Kraft has to do these because, frankly, I can't remember what day of the week it is. Without being here in school and we're not using our calendar actually still has March up on it. Nobody's here in the room to look at our calendar. And on top of that, I'm doing so many videos, I can't tell you what day of the week it is. Okay, let's get busy on our paper today. We are going to learn something new, but let's talk about old stuff first on the front and about our speed drill. Today, we're on 145. This is all about measurements, okay? You are very good at measurements. 1 year equals how many months? January, February, March, count up those months. 1 yard equals how many feet? How many rulers fit on a yardstick? 1 gallon equals how many quarts? You know all of these. Do your best job on them. Think carefully, okay? So make sure you do that to your best. And on the front of our paper, let's look at the front here today. You have to do some perimeter. Remember, perimeter is adding the numbers around an object to find out its length. So this is 10 feet, 10 feet, and 8 feet. The easy way to do it is you can do it in your brain. Lots of you can. But if you can't, you can do 10 plus 8 and come up with a number. That's right. Think carefully on that. Once again, just like on your speed drill, you have to tell me 1 year equals how many months, 1 gallon, how many quarts. Those were things that were just on your speed drill. Down here, you're writing the products. Products mean answers. 1 times 5, 5 times 5, 9 times 5. All of these things are things that you should know. Any number times 2, we're doubling it. It's 2, 10 and 10. 2 times 10. These are all multiplication. Any number times 0 equals, it equals 0. Correct. Down here on the clocks, mark this circle to show AM and PM after you write the time. So what time is it? Let's do this one together. The hour hand, is it on 4 yet? Is it on 4? No, it's not. So it's going to be 3, and we're going to count all the way around. You ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. 3:55. Okay, on number 4, 3:55. Whoop. And this is when we're going to take a hike. So are you going to do 3:55 a.m.? No, that would be dark outside. You'll fall off the edge of the mountain. Look at these huge mountains. So is it going to be a.m. or p.m.? It's going to be p.m. That's right. Mark the p.m. Okay, got it? This problem we're going to do together. I have it on a dry whiteboard. You are going to do it on your paper, and I'm going to do it on the dry whiteboard. I'm going to get the bigger marker, though, okay? Okay. Boys and girls, we're adding all the way into the 10,000s. You can do this. We're going to look down each row. We're going to look and see if we have any groups of 10. When we know that 2 things equal 10 or 3 things equal 10, that makes everything go way faster. So let's look here and see. Do we have any 10s in this row? Quinn, is there anything 3 plus 5 plus 4? Anything equal 10? Let's add it together, Quinn. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 4, Quinn, is... That's right, it's 12. Oh, my marker's not. There we go. Carry a 1. Now, is there anything in this row that equals 10 just right off the bat? Caleb, is there anything in this row that equals that? No. So, Caleb, here we go. 1 plus 0 plus 7 plus 6. He said 14. Okay, Kendall, is there anything in this row that equals 10? I see a 10. Do you see a 10? Do you see it, Kendall? 1 and 4 is what? 5 plus 5 more. That equals 10. What's 10 and 2? 10 and 2, Kendall, is, she's got it. What, my marker is 12. Nice job. Make sure you're carrying right above to the right row. Don't get sloppy, because then you're not going to know where you carried to. Okay, is there anything on this row that equals 10? Let's see, Brady, is there anything on this row that equals 10? No, but Brady, what's 1 plus 1? 2. 2 plus 0, 2. And 2 and 7, Brady, are correct. It's 9. Do you see what we have here? We have commas. Make sure we put our comma there. On the last row, let's see, Ella, you ready? Here we go. Any 10s? No, there are no 10s. So Ella, 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 1, correct. It is 8. Look at that huge number you just created. 89,242. Great work. I'm proud of you. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So you just got number 5 all done. Number 6, let's do that one together. Okay, here we go. The temperature at the bottom of the mountain is 70 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature at the top of the mountain is 28 degrees Fahrenheit. You know, that can be really true. Mrs. Kraft, when I went to Colorado one time, went to Pikes Peak. It is one of the 14ers. It is way up high. It was nice and sunny and warm outside, we got to the top, it was snowing. And that's almost like it was September. It was snowing. We made snowballs. Oh boy. How many degrees colder is at the top than the bottom? So in your workspace, I want you to write 70 minus 28. In your workspace, write 70 minus 28. Got it? Okay, Layla, you're going to help me on this. Can I do 0 minus 8? No, I can't. So I'm going to cross out Layla, right? Borrow from the 7, she said. It's going to become a 6, and 10 plus 0 is 10. Okay, Layla, let's do some subtracting. 10 minus 8 is 2. And Layla, 6 minus 2 is, 42. Oops, 42. We're going to write 42 over on that line. Got it? 42 degrees. That's right, 42 degrees. And you write it over here. On the back, we're learning something new. Do you like money? Who doesn't like money? Well, we're going to talk about change today. We're going to talk about when you go to the store, if mommy pays with real money instead of using her card, the clerk gives back change if necessary. So we're going to talk about that today. Are you ready? I want you to listen for a moment. Okay, are you listening? Here we go. Andrew bought a moose coffee mug at the Rocky Mountain National Park gift shop. The mug cost $6. Okay, did you hear how much it cost? It cost $6. Andrew gave the clerk $10. Now, that's a big $10 bill, isn't it? So Andrew gave the clerk $10. How much change will Andrew get back? Now, how much did the mug cost? That's right, it cost $6. So the clerk is going to have to give back some change. What is 10 minus 6? Kellen, what is 10 minus 6? Can you think? Yeah, 10 minus 6 is, he said 4. So the clerk is going to give back $4. 4 big dollars here. Okay, you ready? She's going to count back 1, 2, 3, 4. Really, if she wants to count back right, she's going to go 7, 8, 9, 10. That means that she made up enough money to make sure it comes back up to the $10 that he had. That's confusing. If we were here at school, Mrs. Kraft would teach you that in 3rd grade. But since we're only in 2nd grade, we know 10 minus 6 equals 4. Okay, here's another story. Listen closely, okay? We can figure how much change Andrew needed by subtracting 10 minus 6. Here's about Emily. Emily bought 4 elk magnets for her friends. Each magnet cost, you ready for this? $2. Each magnet costs $2. How much money does she need? Now, listen one more time. How many is she buying? Emily bought 4 elk magnets for her friends. Each magnet costs $2. How much money does she need? Okay, so we know 4 magnets she's buying, $2 each. What is 4 times 2? We don't know our 4 family. I can count by 4s. 4, 8, 12. That's right. Well, count by 4s. We don't need to count by 4s. We need to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. Sorry, Mrs. Kraft's all excited about the 4 family. We're getting to that pretty soon. Okay, that's right. So we're going to count by 2s 4 times, okay? 2, 4, 6, 8. She needs $8. 2 times 4 is 8. Now, she's going to pay her with a $10 bill. How much change is Emily going to get back? 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 then. What's 10 minus 8? Yeah, 10 minus 8 is 2. She's going to get $2 back. Okay, find your paper and your pencil. We are going to get ready and we're going to do this side together, okay? Are you ready? It says, Grandma and Grandpa drove the children up Trail Ridge Road where there is a snack and gift shop near the top of the mountain. How much change did each person receive? Okay, so are you ready? They had $5 and they spent $3. How much change are they going to get? Abel, let's do some subtracting. 0 and 0. 5 minus 3. Abel is, you write it on your paper. See if you can beat me. Oh, did you notice what you need to add? You need to add a $sign and a decimal point. Make sure you have a $sign and a decimal point for your answer. Okay. When you do this problem, make sure you have 0, decimal point, 2. $2. Don't just put a 2 in a period. You need to have 0 in that place. Okay. The next one had $15. Wow, they had a lot of money. And they spent 11. They spent 11. Madison, let's do our subtracting. Okay, you ready? 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0 again. Put your decimal point. What is 5 minus 1, Madison? That's right, it's 4. And what is 1 minus 1? It's 0, but we don't need to put the 0 down. We do need to put a dollar sign. Okay, did you get $4 like Madison did? Good job, Madison. Okay, last one. Wow, $20. That person must have been really saving for a long time. Okay, let's see if Lucas can help us. Lucas, are you ready? 20 minus 17. Here we go. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Good job, Lucas. Put that decimal point. Uh-oh. 0 minus 7. Can I do that? Lucas, what do I need to do? I need to cross out. That's right. Cross out and go next door. 2 is going to become a 1. That's right. Okay. And then you're going to put the 10 above. Okay. So 10 minus 7. What's 10 minus 7, Lucas? It is 3. And bring down the 1. Nope. Don't bring down the 1, Lucas. That's right. Mrs. Kraft. Sorry, my phone was ringing, which was not good. I got distracted. 1 minus 1, Lucas, is, Lucas knew that before Mrs. Kraft. It is 0. Correct. So $3 is our change. 1 minus 1 is 0. Thanks, Lucas. You get my paycheck today. Okay. Okay, let's go down to the next one. It says mark the bubble under the correct amount of change each person received. Okay. Let's go to Hunter. Hunter, Jenny paid $10 for a book that cost $6. Now we have to figure it out in our heads. What is 10 minus 6, Hunter? Is it $2, $3, or $4? What is it? That's right. 10 minus 6 is $4. Nice work. Okay, we're going a little bit higher. Let's go for a girl this time. Let's see. Quinn, you want to help me on this one? Grandpa paid $20 for a hat that cost $15. What change am I going to get back, Quinn? 20 minus 15. Count up. 15, 16, 17. Okay. Is it going to be $3, $5, or $10? You want to phone a friend? Sure. Who you want to phone? Layla, Madison, Ella, Kendall. Who is it? Adeline? Who you want to phone? Phone any of them? Sure. She'll take anybody. Okay. Somebody help her. What is 20 minus 15? I heard it. Okay. And she said it too at the same time. Good job, Quinn. $5. $5 back. Mark that bubble right there. $5. And number 3, last one. Okay. Write the numbers. The gift shop and visitor center is, oh my goodness, 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 700 plus 90 plus 8 feet above sea level. That's one of those huge, tall mountains. So if you want to grab your place value, okay, grab your place value, hit the pause button while you go get it, okay? We're going to write that number in there, and then we can be able to see exactly what we have. So it goes 10,000. So we're going to write just a 1 in the 10,000s. Are there any thousands? No, because it has a 0. That's where our 10 comes to play. 1 10,000, 0 thousands, okay, plus 700, plus 9 tens, plus 8 ones. 10,798. Would you write that on the line? And don't forget your comma. Don't forget your comma between the hundreds and the thousands. That's right. Mrs. Kraft will write it on mine and hold it up so you can see. Right down there at the bottom, 10,798. On the bottom, whoops, it says blank feet above sea level is the highest elevation, highest point on the Trail Ridge Road. Now, here we go. Let's count it. 1 in the 10,000s. Okay, put a 1 first. Okay, 2 in the thousands. Put a comma after that, 2. And then how many hundreds? 100. How many tens? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. And how many ones? 3. Good job. 12,183. Write that, please. 12,183. That is very, very tall. Awesome job today. You did a lot of thinking, learning about change, thinking about rounding, trying to snap and clap. Mrs. Kraft isn't good at it, but you are. Great job today. Hola. See you tomorrow on Wednesday. Okay, bye. Senor Bob says bye too.